welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a chapter review of present tenses. So let's get right, study with me. A. You study a lot. So this is a direct conversation. Then usually in the conversation we either use simple present to state our habit. Jadi untuk kebiasaan di percakapan itu menggunakan simple present. And then to state what we are doing, untuk mengatakan kita sedang melakukan apa, itu menggunakan present continuous atau present progressive. So we see the first conversation here is actually asking, do you study a lot? I study at least 3 hours every night. We got the word every here, so it is a habit. Then we filled this with simple present. My roommate, only one person. Then we got this simple present, study becomes studies, at least 5 hours. She is very serious about her education. How about you? Do you spend a lot of time studying? Alright, let's go with the next conversation. No, I don't. I a little time as possible. I spend. So we are still talking about habit. Di conversation ini kita masih membicarakan tentang habit atau kebiasaan. Jadi kita masih tetap menggunakan simple present. I do not like. Pada simple present, karena tidak ada to be, maka kita menggunakan kata bantu do atau does. Untuk negative and interrogative sentence. Jadi untuk pertanyaan negatif atau pertanyaan itu kita menggunakan bantuan kata do or does. We call this auxiliary. B. Then why? Ada be di sini maksudnya adalah to be. To be dari you adalah are. Then why are you a student? My parents. We have a plural here, so want me to go to school. I do not want to be here. In that case, I think that you should drop out of school and find a job until you decide what you want to do with your life. Okay, now let's go with the exercise 43, another chapter review of the present tenses. Direction: we need to complete each sentence with the correct form. I blah 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 two roommates. So we're still describing something or a fact. When we talk about it, itu kita menggunakan present simple. I have 2 roommates. One of them, Sam, is always neat and clean. He washes his clothes once a week. Blah blah blah. Matt, my other roommate. So ini ada kalimat tanya. We use do, you know. Do you know Matt, my other roommate? He, ada be di sini maksudnya adalah to be. He is the opposite of Sam. For example, Matt ada change and not. Dalam simple present, kita menggunakan bantuan do atau does untuk kalimat yang negatif dan kalimat tanya. Karena di sini Matt kata gantinya he, maka kita menggunakan does. Matt doesn't change the sheets on his bed. He keeps the same sheets week after week. He never washes his clothes. He wears the same dirty jeans every day. Ada kata every day, so it is a simple present. Sam side of the room, ada to be di sini. Sam is always neat and Matt's side is always a mess. As my mother always says, it takes all kinds of people to make a world. That's all for today. Toodles.